गुड इवनिंग चिल्ड्रन। मैंने आपको पहला क्लास 1A 1B एक्सरसाइज कराया था। इसमें मैं आपको 1C एक्सरसाइज अच्छे से समझाऊंगा। पहले आप कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट हैं उनको अच्छे से समझ लीजिए। सबसे पहले देखिए, मैंने आप एक नंबर लिया है देयर 5273। मैंने एक नंबर लिया है 5273। सो इस 5273 में मैं आपको दो कॉन्सेप्ट समझाऊंगा। एक है प्लेस वैल्यू और दूसरा है फेस वैल्यू। प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है और फेस वैल्यू क्या है। सो इस 5273 में मैंने 7 को अंडरलाइन किया है। आपको बताना है 7 कौन सा घर में है, 7 कौन सा प्लेस में है। सो दैट इज़ द 7 प्लेस वैल्यू एंड द फेस इज़ द सेम। व्हेन यू लुक द फेस इज़ द सेम। जब आप अपना फेस देखते हैं मिरर में, आपका फेस सेम होता है, ठीक वैसे ही वही नंबर का फेस वैल्यू सेम होगा। फेस वैल्यू में चेंज नहीं होगा। प्लेस वैल्यू मीन्स वो नंबर ठो कौन से घर में है, नंबर इन विच प्लेस, नंबर इन 100, नंबर इन 10, नंबर इन 1 या नंबर इन 1000 प्लेस। एंड फेस वैल्यू सेम नंबर यू राइट। सेम अनदर एग्जाम्पल 7923 अंडरलाइन 7 in 1000 place. So write down place value 7000 and write down face value 7. Now there are two form, one is expanded form, another is short form. If the number is given in short, you write in expanded form. So it's easy to write down expanded form. You from backward you write O T H T H. So 7920 plus 3, 7923. If you underline the first number, then it in short form. Like in the same way, another example 1462. 1000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 2. In the same way, there is a short form 7468. Underline the first digit of every number, then it is 7468, the short form. It's a very easy. It's a very easy procedure. So I start exercise 1C. So first question number A, I write the question in a very short form. So A, face value. What is the face value of 2 in 6521? 6521. So the face value same 2. What is the face value of 6 in 2610? Answer is 6. What is the face value of 1 in 1963? Answer is 1. Because face value are the same. Now the options are given us. We are only tell us that there is in which place, 7 in 10 place. So there are 4 number, one 7 in 1000 place, another 7 in 100 place, and this number 7 in 10 place. So there are 2 number where 7 in 10 place. These 2 number were 7 in 10 place. Question number 2, 3 in 1 place. So 253, here 3 in 1 place, 8529, 6259, 6251. No 3 in this 3 number. Now question number 3, 6 in 100 place, 826, 6 in 1 place, 169, 6 in 10 place, 2652, here 6 in 100 place, and 650, here also in 100 place. So very easy question for you, that you only encircle the place value of underlined digit. Now in this way, another way to write the place value, 6574. The first number 6 down, 6000. Second 5, 500. 7, 70. 4, 4. If you underline this all number, then it will be the short form 6574. 6574. Same the question number 2 is there, 8564. So 8560 plus 4. Now the place value, the expanded form is given, the place value is given, you write in short. So it's very easy to move from down to up. 4, 3, 5, 1. 4350 plus 1. 4,000, 4,350 plus 1. Now second question, 3,760 plus 5. 3,765. You write down 3,765 in short form. Now number 3. That is 2153. 2,100 plus 50 plus 3. All the expanded form you write in a short form, just underline the first digit. Now E number question 1. The place value of 6 in 2635. Ones, tens, 100. So 6 in 100 place. So you write down here 600. Write the place value of 3 in 3200. That is 1000. 3 in 1000 place. The place value is 3000. The place value of 4, 4000. Now the numbers are there. You write in expanded form. 4 digit number 5,640 plus 9. 4257. 4,250 plus 7. Very easy procedure. Just go through the one example, then it's very easy to you to perform all the maths. Very easily chapter. Oh, just only one question left. Write the short form. Expanded form is given. You just write the short form. 5,300 plus 90 plus 2. You write the short form, that is 5392. 9,740 plus 1. You write in the short form 9741. 1000 plus 20 plus 4. So you write down in this procedure 1000, 100, tens, ones. So when you write 1000, 1. When you write 20 in 10 place, you write 2. 1 place 4, you write 4. But there is 100 place no number, so you write 0. You write 0 in 100 place. Phone number 2000 plus 100. So 2 in 1000 place and 1 in 100 place. There is no number in tens and ones. So you write both in 0. So in this way, the 1C exercise is over. So now another concept. Next day I explained the exercise. Today I will explain the concept that one is successor of the number, another is the predecessor of the number. If the one number is given, you write the after place one of that number, then it is the successor, and if you write the before place of that number, then it is the predecessor. Predecessor means before and the successor means the after of that number. For successor you add just 1 to that number, and for predecessor you deduct 1 from that number. Successor and predecessor. So another term is ascending order and descending order. Ascending means you write in the increasing order from small to greatest, and descending means from greatest to small the number. So another exercise are there. There is exercise 1D. We discuss next day. So exercise 1C you do in both in your copy and book. The video is given to the link. और आपको इसका जो क्लास वर्क है जो मैं व्हाट्सएप में आपको दे रहा हूँ। आज से आपको सभी सब्जेक्ट्स का जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो आपको इस व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू मिलेगा। ठीक है, ओके।